Now I'm going to record this so we can share it with everybody. Okay, guys. So do either of you remember what the very, very, very first step was when there's a decimal point in the dividend? So a decimal point inside. Logan, do you remember what we do?
You bring it up.
Exactly. You bring it up. Nice job. Pow! You smash it right through there. And now it lives up on top.
Now it's the red dot.
Exactly. And now we're going to do DMSB. So
Yeah, but that's bananas.
can we do 0 divided by 11?
Yes.
What?
No.
No. 0 is too small to divide by 11. Now, this is an important part, okay? How many times can 11 go into 8? Can 11 go into 8? No. So in other words, it can go into 8 0 times. Right? 11 goes into 8 0 times. So now, 0 times 11 is 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. Bring down the 8. Okay, what's 88 divided by 11? 8, yeah. So that 8 goes up there. 8 times 11, there's nothing left over. Your answer is 0.8.
0.8 remainder 0.
Yep, no remainders here. We're on to decimals, so yeah. Do you guys see how we did that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, yeah.
Well, I mean, just keep working. Don't get discouraged. We'll keep going here.
When we're typing in the answer, do we put dot and then the answer is 0?
I would do 0.08. Yeah. The second question is divided by 8. So, what do I got to do with that decimal point here? Carter?
Up into the ceiling.
Yeah, bammo. Okay. Now, can we do 5 divided by 8?
No.
Nope, can't do that. So we got to move over. Can we do 56 divided by 8?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Hey, that's my favorite math fact. You guys remember what it is?
7.
Yeah, nice work. 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Nothing left over. Our answer is 0.7. Eh? Is that feeling okay?
Yeah.
All right, so the next problem I want to do is one that looks a little bit different, okay? So the next one, wait, am I going too fast? You need me to pause?
No.
Okay.
I fell over.
Oh. So our next problem is 25.35.
Can you guys hear me?
Yep.
Oh,
Divided by 5.
You froze and it said my internet is unstable.
Oh, sorry, bud. Are you able to see the screen here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So go ahead and make sure you're writing this down on paper so that you can get some practice. There's more numbers, but that's okay. We're going to keep doing the same thing. We're going to take that decimal point, boom, move it straight up there. And once we do that, we're going to just divide like we typically do. Can I do 2 divided by 5? Nope. Can I do 25 divided by 5?
Yep.
Oh yeah. 25 divided by 5 is 5. That was the D step. Now we need to multiply. 5 times 5 is 25. Now we subtract. We have 0. What do I do after I subtract with this kind of math?
Wait, what do we subtract it from?
So remember, when you multiply, 5 times 5 is 25. You put it right underneath. And then we're doing 25 minus 25 is 0. And so after we subtract, we go to the step that's B. Remember what the B step is?
Bring it down.
Yeah. So we need to bring down the next number, which for us is a 3. Now this is a spot where some people make a lot of mistakes. Some people bring down a number and they think it's too small. So instead of doing bring down and divide, they bring down and then they try to like bring down again. You can't do that. You can't change the steps around. So we brought down, we divide. Can we do 3 divided by 5?
Nope.
Nope. So another way of saying nope in math class is with a 0, right? 0. 3 divided by 5 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Now we bring down our next number. What division problem do we now need to do?
7.
Well, that's the answer. But what's your division problem here?
35 divided by 45.
Yeah, 35 divided by 5 equals 7. 7 times 5 is 35. There's nothing left over. Woo! Remember, when you bring down a number that you can't divide still, that just means there's a 0 in your answer. That's important.